Kem Cho Surat. I hope everyone is doing well and healthy. I know it's been a while I didn't upload any video. I know life is very unpredictable, right? Before this pandemic COVID 19, I used to take my life, my place, many things for granted. Last year, on such beautiful evening, I started filming these glimpses, time lapses of our Surat. I have always wondered where this world is going, where my life is leading. What could be the next $1 million idea? In search of new things or to learn and explore, I started traveling to new places, making new friends and explore new cultures. Back in 2018, I traveled to Bangalore. Well, I just started skateboarding, so I went to learn new tricks and also search for a new grip tape. Yes, in India it's very hard to get grip tape for skateboard. Only one left. How lucky I am. I got my grip tape and it's only one left. Well, I have figured out my next destination is Play Arena, which is quite near to Sarjapur Decathlon. So I went to explore official and my first skate park in Bangalore. Hey there! Here I met first generation skateboarder of India, Arjun, who is a wonderful human being. Well, he is younger than me, but his skating skills are far more superior, as he is skating for almost 15 years since he was 3. So we exchange our ideas, I learned new tricks from him, and yes, we had lots of fun and laughter together. Play Arena, Bangalore. Let's check it out. Play Arena Bangalore is an excellent place for those who love adventures and virtual reality games. It's a place where there is a something for all age groups, from go-karting to climbing, archery, skate park to virtual reality games.
This guy also.
Look at this ball, 10 feet.
Yeah, minimum. I roll in from here, man. It's easy. Yeah, tonight I'm gonna teach you how to sleep. You take a pillow. Your public rank is get the fuck up and start skating, niggas. Fuck off. Fuck off. Today I'm gonna teach you how to pump. Alright? Basically, you gotta bend your knees and every curve, you gotta push your body in such a. You gotta lean forward. In ramps, you have to always bend. Always bend. Half squat, 24 hours. Practice squats before you skate transition. It's gonna help you. Alright, so now we're gonna go down this flow transition. That's gonna start from here. From here. That's gonna go down there. That bump. Up from the bump, you go to the big transition. I'm back. Now we hit that bump. Hit that transition. Now we're back. Alright, let's see how we do it. Let's see what he does. You got basic pumping out there. Let's see what's up. 1, 1, 2, 3, rolling. Yeah, my man. Yeah. You got it. Perfect, lah. It's going out with Steve. Little chopsy over there, but love it, my nigga, love it. Continue. He's going on for it. He's going on for the other half. Oh, sweet kick turn, man. Sweet kick turn. Just like Sweet 16, I love you. Come on, give me a fist bump, my nigga. Yeah. The chicks coming from the side. Oh, look at the girls right there. And my man's started right there. He's coming down there. All the chicks behind him. Like, it looks brilliant. I love the way he moves that ass like that. Like, you know what I mean? Like, fuck you. He's gonna die. He's gonna die. Oh, he lands it. My nigga lands it. Fuck my nigga wanker. He lands it. Fucking public wanker. Goes on. Oh, tripping balls, I see. Today, my nigga is gonna teach you how to sleep. Come on, teach us. You fucker. Get up and skate. Get up and skate. Let's do it. Let's do it. He's got a kick flip. Flop.
One more.
Let's see one more. Let's go for it. Yeah! Fuck you, fuck off.
Try to take skateboard much better. Let's go.
He's rolling in mud. He's high. He's fucking high. Take.
Ready? That was sick, man. Too good.
Look at this. Let's go.
Whoa, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
Seriously, this is my first time. First try, I started applying lessons on how to pump your skateboard.
Yeah.
Well, it's not easy, but it helps to build a stronger leg muscles and good workout for your thigh, knee and calf. And also it strengthens your core. Here I am trying to land a new trick, heel flip. A heel flip is a trick in which a skater ollies or jump with his board into the air and flicks the board off his heel so that it spins in the air along the nose tail long axis. After several tries, you're finally able to figure out how to land one. A heel flip is a beautiful skateboard trick and looks absolutely mint when you are able to execute it properly. Thanks Arjun for everything. So from now onward, I will try to document each and everything so that you guys can improve on skateboarding skills. See you tomorrow. See you in the next video. You can subscribe and like if you like the video and comment if you have any questions. Take care and see you next time.